What's up, everyone? So, one of the questions I get a lot, and I've talked about this before, is what separates us as Coffee Tree Transportation, Turo rental company, whatever you want to look at it, compared to a lot of the big competitors, and what separates us from our competition. Well, I'm here with our 2020 Chevy Equinox today. One of the things I'm doing, we finished up some maintenance on it over the weekend, and one of the other things I do, we detail the cars. I want to make sure that the car is in tip-top shape for our guests, whether it's maintenance wise or just appearance. So today we're detailing it. We're going to go ahead and give it a nice coat of wax here before, hopefully before it gets too hot out. You know, here in Arizona, it's a little toasty out, but still like to keep our vehicles maintained, looking good. Because when you travel into town or when you're using somebody else's car, you know, obviously you want to look nice, be protected. So yeah, that's one of the things that separates us from some of our competition is we want to make sure that we are delivering not just well-maintained vehicles, but we want them to look good as well. If you're interested in what we offer, go ahead and look us up, coffeetreetransportation.com. You can reserve your ride now at coffeetreetransportation.com as well. You can look at our Turo reviews, all 5 stars. Definitely anything you need rental-wise, give us a shot.